risk your life. Go to higher ground. Do not stay on any barrier island. Do not stay in a mobile home. Save your life and your family.
8:25 a.m. Saturday, September 9th. And we are in bad shape. As each day goes by, the models and the track has shifted more and more westward. And as it appears right now, where I live is going to be taking a direct hit from Hurricane Irma, which is now a Category 4 hurricane. It's being pushed by Jose, it's being sucked by Katia, and it's being pulled straight into the Gulf. My house is now under a hurricane warning, which means conditions are likely for me. As you can see by the updated track, it is going to swoop right over Tampa Bay, as it seems. Wind speed probability, we are now in the 90 to 100% chance of hurricane force winds. This is where you want to start praying and start evacuating if you live in the area. Checking the Euro model right now. Woke up this morning and there was absolutely no good news. So I'm going to start packing all my stuff right now. I'm going to go to my dad's house and help him board up the house, get all my valuables out of the house that I can, and we are in for a ride. It's exactly what I didn't want to happen. This is literally becoming the worst case scenario. Category 4 hurricane hits where I am right now. The likelihood of my house being here when I get back is very low. Can't believe I'm even saying this right now. Feels like I'm in a nightmare. Living one. Oh my gosh. We're getting 100-mile-an-hour wind predictions where I live. Pretty much shows the eye of the storm going directly over me. Today's the day to prep. Tomorrow's the day that it gets crazy. Alright, I'm freaked out. I'm going to go to my dad's house and help him get everything ready. Time to start packing. I'm going to get wood and start boarding up too. Like that old frame we can take apart too and use that. So we are currently on our way to, honestly, wherever we can find wood. I'm not sure if that's going to be Walmart or Home Depot or behind Walmart to get some pallets, but either way we're going to find whatever we can. And damn, they're really rousing people to come back. Alright, that guy made it, which means we can make it. Thank you guys.
We need stickers if you're gonna come through here.
Dude, I'll bring some. We're gonna run to Home Depot. I got you on the...
Oh, yeah. Call him with donuts.
Throw this guy in the back one. He needs one.
Yeah, hit me with a donut.
Yes.
I'll bring you guys hats too. Yeah,
I'll give you anything you want. Oh my god. Hit me with that chocolate.
We're gonna need enough stickers though.
My man.
Oh, I got a shipment of like 30,000 yesterday. That's the deposit for the stickers I'll bring later. Right?
Nice, guys. Be safe.
Yeah, you too, guys. Thank you.
Yo, Jack, I'm not gonna lie.
Pizza donuts.
I needed food so bad, and the fact that the cops gave me a donut is so.
Told you, dude. The squad's got a rep around here.
Out of the way. Oh, I gotta eat this first before I start today's episode.
Dude, we should get them coffee and everything.
Hoggy needs coffee too, right, Hoggy?
The cops were very, very nice. Gave us donuts. I didn't take one because I probably would have gone into a diabetic coma. Yeah! Squad runs deep, son. I got you. Hats and stickers. You guys are on. Huh?
Those were like bazooka bubblegum, like temporary tattoos.
Those are lame stickers. I got the good ones.
Oh man, hooking it up.
Hats, and you guys need coffee or anything?
Yeah, I'm gassed up with it all the time.
Yeah, for sure.
They didn't have spit on those donuts this time, so we lucked out.
You guys think I'd spit on the donuts?
No, you never know what people give us, you know?
That's messed
What
up.
are you guys doing?
We're gonna go get more wood from Home Depot and board up the house, and then pack all my camera equipment and take that off the island. We have a friend who has a concrete house on 12th, and it should be able to sustain 300-mile-an-hour winds. My friend's dad built it. He said that there's no way that it's going anywhere, so I think we're gonna bunker down there.
Yeah, I hear you, man. You guys be
Unless
safe,
it strengthens in the Gulf and it's a direct hit, then we're gonna go mainland.
Then we're all in for it.
Yes, that's for sure. Well, you guys be safe. Thank you for everything.
Be good.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in like 20 or something. Parking lot is completely full. I don't know if we're going to be able to find anything. Hopefully they at least have like screws and electric screwdrivers. Are you guys out of everything?
You sure you don't want to get a cart or something just in case there's stuff there?
Probably going to want to, but honestly, let's just get there.
And you can mind to come down here to buy.
I still think we're going to need more pallets.
Probably. This place is a madhouse.
It's like
right
Black
now.
Friday for wood.
That might be a direct hit.
The line wraps around.
JoogSquad, roll! Let's get it! Let's get it!
You guys are really nice.
Oh, yeah, we are.
You ready for the storm?
Safe, guys. Sandbags all stacked up on the door too. Gnarly.
It's a lot of sand.
CVS. Need any help, dude?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Come on, dude. Getting ready.
Yeah, no doubt. You guys take care of your place?
Yep.
Yeah.
We're getting. We got some more wood to make sure everything's
That's
boarded
cool.
up. Want me to go in?
Yeah, see if it'll do in there. Alright.
This wood you guys have on deck for the storms?
Yeah, Bruce had this pre-cut.
Okay. To
Pretty
fit all the
good.
windows?
Yeah.
Smart guy.
I used one piece, so I had to like cut a new one. But wasn't a big deal.
Don?
Alright,
Be
dude, be
safe,
safe,
Larry.
man. You too.
For sure.
Yep.
You too,
You
man.
guys ride it out,
You
alright.
too. Take it easy. Yeah, guys.
It's nice to
Pray
meet
for
both of you, man.
Florida.
Good luck. God bless.
See you guys.
See you soon, man. Every single flight has been delayed. So I might be here for a little while. Okay, so I'm in the cell phone waiting lot at the parking lot of the Tampa airport picking up my cameraman and good homie squad member Tony along with Austin Augie. And as I'm looking at the updates, I'm getting so nervous and freaked out because the worst case scenario could be the reality. The tracks are pushing more into the Gulf. Hurricane Jose, which is behind Irma, is a Category 4 and is pushing Irma into the Gulf, along with Katia being in the Gulf, sucking Irma towards the Gulf as well, pulling the track more and more towards my house. And the track, every single update, has moved more and more towards the west. So what that means is if it keeps pulling west, my home might be in the direct path of the strongest storm ever to hit Florida. So we're basically living in a nightmare right now. And I'm trying to wrap my head around taking everything that I care about in my home to a friend's house in one of the safer areas, which isn't even safe now. The entire state of Florida isn't safe. And that's the reality of the life that we're living right now.
Get the juke up.
Woo! What up, boy?
Party, baby.
Oh, you expect me to wear shoes, dude? What's up, dog? How you doing?
Man.
Oh, we made it.
2 hours late.
This guy flies into Florida during the strongest hurricane in the history of the state.
Yo, if I was gonna get savage with somebody, I get savage with you.
Exactly. What is going on? Dude, every single flight coming into Tampa was delayed.
Every single one.
They have all the screens at the
Yeah.
cell phone waiting lot, literally every single one.
They took a crazy route, man. They took a crazy route to get here across the Atlantic. They had to go out around the Atlantic and come back in.
That's crazy.
And then 2 of their pilots weren't able to come in because of the hurricane. So.
What?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I was on the news, on the plane, and
It's getting worse.
It's getting worse.
We have a safe place to go if we have to evacuate my house, which it seems we're going to have to evacuate my house. So that's
during
good.
the storm, we're gonna have to evacuate.
Yeah, we're gonna have to leave my house in the island because it's not looking good. It's becoming worst case scenario. Slowly. All right, Tony, the legend is in the building. All right, let's move this.
This life is so sketchy.
I bet. We're all just gonna point our fans at the hurricane. Like everybody who lives in Florida is gonna point their fans up in the air and it's just gonna blow it away. And we're gonna be fine. Hey, Hurricane Vlog, we got a squad member. There we go.
Hey.
Pleasure.
Hey.
19.
Yeah, you have an awesome. Damn, look at that horizon line right now.
Dude, Val Kilmer.
Legend. I gotta talk to your buddy.
Yeah, in the red truck?
Yeah, okay. Just wanna make sure. Okay, he's coming to help you?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Alright. So when he drives by, hopefully when you drive by, he'll see you. So okay.
Cool.
Gotta have him on.
Hurricane Irma!
Ow! Look at this guy! Jack! Jack! You got guys just waiting for you out the end of the bridge.
Oh, here comes the U-turn. Just to look at the beach?
Okay, listen. It's a mandatory evacuation.
Oh,
House, you leave the island.
Okay, sorry.
well, I'm taking all my stuff to my friends in the mainland in the morning.
I understand that, but unfortunately we can't have nobody walking around out here, okay? We don't know who's supposed to be here and who ain't.
Solid.
Go back to your house.
All right.
Makes sense. Sorry.
Hey,
Appreciate it.
were you not allowed to walk the beach at all?
We're not trying to cause trouble. We're not allowed on the beach at all. Thank you.
All right, have a good night.
Listen to me. If you live in Pinellas County, you live in Hillsborough, you live in an A evacuation zone, there's the 6-foot line. Just 10 feet of water is going to go inland at one time at 60 miles an hour, 10 feet of water, and you will die in your house unless you evacuate. You must evacuate your house. It's not a game. If your mother doesn't leave, call and get a ride. You need to go to a shelter and go somewhere safe. Everybody needs to get out of the evacuation A zone, 10 feet of water flat out, not just on the beach. We're leaving, you leave too. Go to higher ground, save your lives.
Okay, thank you for that. That was very traumatic from Mr. Savage. Okay, so the dogs are going with my mom because animals are #1 priority. She also has my hard drives. We're gonna stay here for another day and watch the storm and leave probably somewhat last second. Come here, pups. Come here. Come here. I love you guys. I love you. Be good. See you, Mom. Love you. I'll see you soon. Wow.
Do not risk your life. Go to higher ground. Do not stay on any barrier island. Do not stay in a mobile home. Save your life and your family. You want to be in the middle of the storm, go over to Tampa and stand there, and it'll be 130 miles an hour. But out here, the water will kill. People will drown in their houses. They need to listen and leave. I talked to the cops. He says, people have a plan. I said, what's their plan? He looked at me, and I said, yeah, their plan is they're going to die because if the water comes up in your house, you're dead. There's no way to get out. There you go. Now, they said it could go back up to a 4 or 5.
That they're saying 4. They're predicting it to.
Even all that, I'm going to tell you this. I've never been in anything but a Category 1, and they were very, very bad. I can't even imagine what a 3 is going to be like. I don't like it.
Alright, so I'm going to end the vlog here. You heard it from my dad. They are predicting it to be between a Category 3 and a Category 4 when it hits the Tampa Bay area. So if you are on an island, you're in a 1-story home, you should evacuate to the safest place you could possibly go to. Yeah, I'm going to obviously upload this video, and then we're going to go to the beach house, get a bunch of plywood from our friend, and then board up the beach house, and then I might upload another video tonight. But yeah, you guys, just be safe. It's better to play it safe than sorry. We will be evacuating. We are not staying here. That is guaranteed. Send love to everybody in the state of Florida, and yes, we're in for the ride. as soon as this thing hits. Monday morning is going to be a very, very heavy day for any Floridian. We got like 20 cases of water just to try to help anybody we can once the storm hits. So that's pretty much it. And see you guys this evening for another upload and another update. Be safe out there, everyone.